And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this portable blender. As you can see, you can make fruit juice, milkshakes, baby food, vegetable juice, smoothies, rice, pasta, and more. It's not made for the microwave. That's what it looks like. A little bit of the stats over here. Charging time's 3 to 4 hours. They have a few different colors, and it has a 2600 milliamp hour battery, and the motor can do 18,000 rotations per minute. Let's open this on up, take a look at it. Okay, the whole thing came out. So they include a little straw. That's it for the box. So they nice enough to include a little straw for you. I like that. Then a nice user's manual to tell you everything you should need to know. They include a USB-C cable for charging because it charges with USB-C. And then lastly, here's the actual portable blender. So you can see your blade down in there. You can fill everything up in here. You charge it here and you have a power button right there. And you're able to just directly drink out of it once you have blended your milkshake or your fruit smoothie or whatever it may be. Very easy to pop off, and then just kind of pops right back into place. So we're gonna have to make us something. Let's see what we can make us. Nice little charging indicator to tell you when it's full, and then of course you plug it back up once it's done being charged. Light changes colors once it's fully charged.
Twist.
All right. There we are. One deliciously mixed up smoothie. So now you can either drink directly from here or put your straw in and drink it from there. Delicioso.
Actually, yeah.
Good? All right.
Very good, actually.
Thanks again to this company for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching this demonstration. See you in the next one. Deuces.